Hi family, how you doing? My name is Charity Kavata. Thank you so much for your support. If you've not subscribed, kindly subscribe and welcome to the family. So today I'm just going to show you a very simple look, and I'm starting in by blending my concealer. I'm actually going to use my concealer as my eyeshadow base because I don't have an actual eyeshadow base, but this really works for me and it's supposed to also work for you. So I'm just going to tap and blend in. So for my eyeshadow, the first shade, it's called Smoking. I'm not going to use any transition shade because I'm just doing a simple look. So I'm just tapping in the the shade. I've never done a voiceover, guys, forgive me. So just tap in, uh tap. Do not drag, by the guys, do not drag the brush. If you drag the brush, it's not going to give you a very nice look. So tap and then smoothly and gently blend it out. Like, just be very gentle. Here the video is quite speedy. As you can see the way I'm blending it very smoothly. So be very gentle. Do not forget, you're not supposed to drag. So my next shade is called, okay, it's called Solstice, and that's why I'm going to apply it, so that at least it can bring some brightness on the eye. Then I'm going to blend it in by tapping and tapping and tapping and tapping. I really loved the way these two shades blended in. I wasn't sure about actually using the two shades, but I loved this. So I'm just adding a little bit more of the smoking shade to make the eyeshadow pop. Yeah, and then now I'm going to get ready to do my next step. I'm just going to use a glitter shade which is called Round Bone, and then pick I'm going to tap it at the innermost part of my eye, like that. But I don't know if I really liked this idea of, I don't know if I like the idea of putting that shade there, like the glitters there. I'm not sure, like right now I'm like not sure, but it's okay. So tap, and then here I just did both of the eyes, and I did the lashes, and I really love the lashes actually because they're very light. I'm now wiping my face using wet wipe to remove any extra product that has maybe fallen off, like from the eyeshadow. Yeah, and then I'm going to get ready to do my moisturizer, which I'm not going to tell you the name right now. Yeah, only if you promise to subscribe, that's when I'll tell you the name of my moisturizer. So I'm carefully wiping off any extra product, and then I'm going to get ready to do the moisturizing thing. This product is smelling amazing. I really loved it. It really works for me. I pray when I'll be telling you the product, it will work for you. But it really worked for me, especially if you have an oiled skin. It will work for you like a lot. And if you don't have a sensitive skin, yeah. So next I'm going to use. I didn't. Okay, I skipped. Oh my god, I skipped the primer part. I'm just going to use my beauty blender. Tap tap the foundation. Do not be in an hurry to blend the foundation. Please tap it in very well. Take your time. And the best thing to do is begin tapping, or else begin blending the foundation from your cheeks. Yeah. And then to the other part. And then I really love this foundation. I am using a foundation called Black Up Foundation. For those that have been asking me, what products do you use? Tell us. It's Black Up. It is amazing. It's full coverage and you don't have to use like a lot of it. I love it. I just can't explain and express how I love it, but it's amazing and I really enjoy using this foundation. So tap in, tap, 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 and blend. As we're going to do that, I'm going to, no, okay, I've finished. Now using the other side of the brush, oh, sorry, blender, I mixed my foundation and a little bit of my concealer. I didn't really want a concealer that is shouting, so I'm just going to tap it in like that, and I love the way it's working. It's amazing. I love this. So just tap. If you've not subscribed, kindly do so, and I love you so much. I love my eyes. I'm really attracted to my eyes. This is me being real now. Okay, now the reason as to why I didn't use more product is because I don't want my face to look like cake. So just the product that is left on the blender, just use it to blend the other parts. I love my eyes, you guys. Wow. Okay. So next is my setting powder. Blow an extra powder and then tap, 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 tap. In this case, I didn't bake, so I just blended immediately. I didn't bake the setting powder, and I love it. Again, I'm also using black up setting powder. I'll soon tell you the shades. Yeah, I think I'll do that in my next video. So tap it in. Oh my god, you guys. This is my first time doing my voiceover. Please forgive me if you feel like I didn't do it to the very level best. Okay. I'm not usually sure with the nose highlight and whatever. I just really feel like I'm usually doing it wrong. So do not judge me. Bear with me. I'm going to learn. I'm in the learning process. So yeah. Wow. This girl loves you so much, you guys. Then now for my next step is the lips. I'm just using my brown eye pencil shade number 40 to do the lip line. Then I'm going to use my lip balm. I didn't feel lip gloss. I didn't feel like doing, ouch, okay. I didn't feel like doing lipsticks. So I'm just going to use my lip gloss, and then I think you're going to be ready for the look. Again, guys, I've noticed that I don't usually do the setting spray. I don't know. I think I'm supposed to start doing that. So this is my face that loves you so much. It's smiling for you so that you can subscribe, like, and share. Yeah, this is your girl. Like I've said, guys, these lashes are light. I don't usually like huge lashes. They're not even noticeable, like ni kama umevaa lashes. You see, they're very cute. Oh, this part I didn't blend well. Forgive me. So guys, kindly subscribe if you haven't, please. This girl is smiling so that you can subscribe. Thank you so much for your support. You guys are supporting me so much, and I really appreciate. May God bless you so much. See you in the next video. Bye.